Look, you did the job that you needed to do coming off the bench. What was the instruction from Mikel Arteta at that point?
Well, he told me I was going to come in as a striker. Actually, this morning we were talking about it a little bit with one of the assistants. And honestly, it was a surprise because it's the first time in my career that I play in that position. But yeah, he told me to go as a striker, to make sure I go with my strengths. I think I showed it, and yeah, luckily I could help the team with 2 goals today.
Well, yeah, a brace, the first time you're ever playing a striker centre forward. Is this something we're going to see more of now?
I don't know, I don't think so, to be honest. You know, it's funny because I've only scored 2 more braces in my career, and it's the first time I scored a brace coming off the bench as a striker. But I think it's a good day to score because I forgot to give my wife some Valentine's Day. So this goes to her. I think she will appreciate this more than a rose or some chocolate.
Absolutely, always about the family. But it needed something, did this game, didn't it? Because it was a tough afternoon for Arsenal.
Yeah, today was a tough game. We knew coming here to this amazing stadium with this team battling relegation, it was going to be tough. But, you know, I think these games are the ones who live the spirit. Obviously, with these amazing fans behind us, everything is easier. So thank you to them, thank you to everyone at home pushing and rooting for us. And I mean, this is an amazing team, and games like today are really good for the squad.
Ethan Nwaneri, he put that ball into the box 4 or 5 times before you were even on the pitch today. But just how good is he for such a young age?
Yes, he's an amazing player. Every time I do an interview, you guys ask me for him. But I mean, it's natural because he's such a talent. Luckily for him, today he crossed the ball. I've been talking to him the whole season that I needed those kind of balls when I'm arriving in the box. And he has such a wonderful left foot that he put it right in my head, so I could only score.
Look, you have closed the gap at the top of the table now, just to 4 points. How important is that? Even though there's still games to go, got to take every opportunity?
Yeah, of course. I mean, this is a long season. We have been talking about it since the beginning. This is a long run, and we have to keep the foot on the gas. And I think we keep doing the job, putting pressure on every single game. Good things will come in the future.